Oh.
Is this a real interview, or is this a magic? Is it magic tapping on my forehead?
Whoa. Oh my God.
Forehead.
Whoa. Oh my God. Gary Busey himself, the man, the living, the legend himself in the flesh.
How much longer am I going to be living, though, if you're not going to start the interview? What kind of thing are you trying to pull right now?
Whoa.
Just in there, we were stealing like those little fuzzy little animals and things they got for animals, for dogs or cats, as little toys. We're putting them in our shorts, and that would just I don't know if that was the cocaine or what, but it felt pretty good.
How good did it feel? When you say good, in what sense?
Look, if I told you how good it feels, we'd have to stop this interview and take photographs. I love animals. I love any animal that will lick me, because they just love it. You know, everybody loves to be licked. And